to make the good aesthetic, which is set up from the midline to lateral and the good amount of the translucency.
It's a veneer build-up. Morning. It's a little bit delicate between the tooth prep. Okay. Between these tools. Look at these veneers. Okay, almost done. Then I section it. I did not put the interproximal contact because it's so delicate. I bake it. Okay, so this is the veneer this morning.
After first bake, this is second bake now. Now as I make the perfect symmetry, try to get the good contour, less grinding. So 1, 2, 3, 4 veneers. Make the square shape with a good proportion of the tooth. Alright, so this is the veneers. Okay, so I add here a little bit, those area, then we'll be done. Okay, so this is the preparations about the 4 veneers. And I try the 2 veneers, make the good compensation between the teeth, and make the good aesthetic, which is set up from the midline to lateral and the good amount of the translucency, even though it's lack of room. Move to this. That's another 3 teeth like that. With a good surface texture. You can see the 2 times build up. And then here's this lateral. Okay. This is the finals, the restorations. You said this one is the picture which is doctor indicated, and then we're trying to make square slightly rounded and to make the better contour. This is inside your edge for the lateral from the midline. Okay. So anyway, this is good veneers. Thanks for watching. My practical cosmetic veneers cases, okay, from emergence profile.